ದೊರೆಯ ತಣ್ಣ ಮುಕುತಿ ಈ ಗುರುವಿನ ಗುಲಾಮ ನಾಗುವ ತನಕ ದೊರೆಯ ತಣ್ಣ ಮುಕುತಿ.
To say anything, ma'am, that how beautifully you have addressed all the young parents, including us, all of us. Thank you very much. And ma'am is, we just can't touch her. She is great personalities. We are really privileged that she has sang beautifully here. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Dhruti and Kushi on the stage.
Grandparents are the most important persons in everyone's life. They are those people who care for us selflessly and love endlessly. Thank you. I am Kushi. Let's give standing ovations to the most respectable citizens and thank them for everything. They are the gardeners of our life. Thank you.
I agree with Kushi.
Go like this one.
Students who are eager to show their love for their grandparents.
You go and
Ahanaditya, Arush, Hanvesh, Shalvi, Adav, Harini, Laksh, Vishmita, Deven, Anu, Rishit, Tina, Srishti and Vinyas.
ತಲೆಮಾರುಗಳೇ ತಲೆಬಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಗುವಿಗೆ ಮರುಳಾಗಿ ನಲಿವುದೆ ನಂಟಿನ ಕಥೆಯಂತೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಾಲದ ಮರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕುಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕುಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ.
ಅಜ್ಜ ಆಲದ ಮರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ, ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕುಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ,
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಡಿಗೆ ಸಮವಿಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಕಣ್ಣಲು ಕಂಬನಿ ಉಂಟು,
ನಗುವಿಗೂ ನೋವಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆದಿರಂತು,
ಕರುಳಿನ ಭಾವ ಬಿರಿದು,
ಬಂಧುಗಳ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಬಿಗಿದು,
ಕರುಣೆಯ ನದಿ ಹರಿದು,
ವಂಶಗಳ ಬೇರಿಗಿಳಿದು,
ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನೀರಾಗಿ,
ಹೃದಯ ಹೂವಿನ ತೀರಾಗಿ,
ನಲಿವುದೆ ನಂಟಿನ ಕಥೆಯಂತೆ. ಅಜ್ಜಾಲದ ಮರ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮಾವಿನ ಮರ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ,
ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ,
ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕುಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ,
ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಪಿಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ,
ಕುಕ್ಕು ಕುಕ್ಕುಗಳು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. ಕರುಳಿ
The love between parents and their children is always and forever. Parental love is the only love that is truly selfless, unconditional, and forgiving. To show this love, let's welcome our nursery children.
है ना बोलो बोलो, है ना बोलो बोलो, पापा बोलो बोलो, मम्मी बोलो बोलो, पापा को मम्मी से, मम्मी को पापा से प्यार है, प्यार है ना बोलो बोलो, है ना बोलो बोलो, पापा को मम्मी से, मम्मी को पापा से प्यार है, प्यार है। पापा मम्मी मिलते हैं, चुपके चुपके हंसते हैं। पापा मम्मी मिलते हैं, चुपके चुपके हंसते हैं। जाने क्या क्या कहते हैं, बातें करते रहते हैं। पापा मम्मी मिलते हैं, चुपके चुपके हंसते हैं। जाने क्या क्या कहते हैं, बातें करते रहते हैं। है ना बोलो बोलो, है ना बोलो बोलो, पापा को मम्मी से, मम्मी को पापा से प्यार है, प्यार है।
मम्मी तेरी अच्छी है, कितनी भोली भाली है।
पापा भी तो अच्छे हैं, कितने प्यारे प्यारे हैं।
हाँ? मम्मी तेरी अच्छी है, कितनी भोली भाली है।
पापा भी तो अच्छे हैं, कितने प्यारे प्यारे हैं। है ना बोलो बोलो,
है ना बोलो बोलो,
मुन्नी बोलो बोलो,
दीपू बोलो बोलो।
पापा को मम्मी से, मम्मी को पापा से प्यार है, प्यार
Good evening, all the people of Vatika. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri, Gurube Namaha. This shloka always reminds me of my teacher who always explained the meaning of Guru, as Gu indicates the darkness or ignorance and Ru indicates the remover, and that the real Guru always removes the darkness from the life of their disciple. Friends, today I'm here to share my experience about Hello Kids Diksha. It's been 2 years we are sharing the bonding together, and my son is getting his graduation from this school as he is completing his UKG in the year 2019. talking about my experience about the school regarding my son till date been amazing. A couple of minutes back, my son just said that family is a synonym to Vatika. I would use the same and say Hello Kids is a synonym to modern Gurukul. I use the word Gurukul because of its unique curriculum, which includes prayer, shlokas, bhajans, celebrations of festivals and seasons, conducting activities which stimulates the mind and body of the young kids, competitive spirit, yoga, and science fair, and so on. I would say that they are providing the balanced diet of education. Mentioning about the science project, I feel very happy and proud to express about my son's first science project on solar system, where he was able to talk about 10 to 15 minutes on all the planets with full of confidence at this very small age. This was an emotional and proud moment to me, and the school was also proud of him. I would say that it was this science fair concept of the school made me discover the grasping and explaining skill of my son. In my experience, the teachers whom I came across are very professional, hardworking, and also share a good rapport between kids and as well as the parents. The parents are constantly updated by all the activities and information of the kids through WhatsApp videos and messages on time. This can be done only when there is a good teamwork, and all the credit goes to Team Hello Kids Diksha, the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff. I am happy that my son is a part of Hello Kids Diksha. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to speak. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your experience with us. Next, I would like to call upon Mrs. Varsha, mother of UKG student Samruddhi, to share their experience with Hello Kids Diksha.
Miss Varsha, I'm mother of Samruddhi. I would like to thank all the teachers and especially Padma ma'am for giving me this opportunity. ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಬರೀ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಯೋಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೋದು ತುಂಬ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನನಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಹೆಲೋ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ದೀಕ್ಷಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Welcome Shreya and Kaushik on the stage.
I am Kaushik. Mother is the most lovable and adorable person. No love can match our love. She's the best trainer and guide of our child. Thank you. I am Kaushik. Mom, Pa are the world's for the most beautiful soul. Physical presence of God was not visible everywhere, so He created this idol called Ma.
Of love. Love is our mother. God could not be everywhere, and therefore He made mothers. So now let's welcome students of UKG to express their feelings for their mothers. Samruddhi, Aradhya, Siddhi, Aniksha, Padma, Tanush and Kaushik. and Aradhya on the stage.
Father is very loving and caring person and loving. For a child, he is the best friend and advisor. Thank you. I am Radhya. We see him helping neighbors and others in their difficult times. We love our Father. Thank you.
Who always sacrifices his needs for our needs. So now let's welcome our UKG students who are expressing their love to their fathers. Rushvi, Vinyas, Kushi, Advait, Dhriti, Nishant, Shreya and Parthiv.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ, ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹಗಲು ಬೆವರಿನ ಕೂಲಿಕಾರ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೌಕಿದಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸುವ ಸಾಹುಕಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಗದರೋ ಮೀಸೆಕಾರ, ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಕೋಮಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೋಳೋ ಕರ್ಣ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ.
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ. ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವ, ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಯಾವ ದೇವ ತಂದ ವರವು ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರಿಯೆನು.
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ.